Struggling with joint pain and inflammation, whether it's arthritis, aging, or past injuries, you don't have to live in discomfort. So many people struggle with this, and it's totally understandable why you'd want relief. Today, I'll share the best natural remedies that relieve pain, reduce inflammation, and keep your joints healthy without relying on medication. We'll dive deep into natural ingredients, lifestyle changes, and some DIY tricks. Make sure you watch until the end because I'm going to give you guys my special DIY anti-inflammatory tea recipe. It's super easy to make and tastes amazing. Trust me, you're going to love it. Before we dive into the specifics of the anti-inflammatory diet, I want to take a moment to remind you to like and subscribe to our channel. We're committed to bringing you the best natural remedies and lifestyle advice, so hit that notification bell too. Every like and subscription helps us reach more people who need this information. Thank you for your support. Here's what you need to know about food. What you eat plays a huge role in joint health. It's not just about what you eat, but also about the amazing foods that can actually fight inflammation from within. First up, omega-3 fatty acids. These are your best friends when it comes to joint health. Think about incorporating fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines into your diet. Not a fan of seafood? No problem. You can also get your omega-3s from walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Next, we've got turmeric and ginger, the power couple of anti-inflammatory superstars. You can use them in cooking, smoothies, or even brew them into a soothing tea. Don't forget about the power of colorful fruits and veggies. Berries especially are packed with antioxidants that help combat inflammation. Leafy greens, olive oil, and nuts are also great additions to your diet. And for that extra boost of joint-loving nutrients, consider incorporating bone broth and collagen into your routine. Trust me, your joints will thank you. You guys know I'm all about simple, effective solutions, and staying hydrated is at the top of that list. Water helps keep your joints moving smoothly and prevents stiffness. Make it a habit to sip on water throughout the day. For an anti-inflammatory boost, try herbal teas like ginger or green tea. Gentle exercises like walking, swimming, and cycling can work wonders for your joints. Yoga and Tai Chi incorporate gentle movements and mindfulness, benefiting both body and mind. Stay tuned for simple stretches you can do at home to relieve pain. Steady effort leads to success when it comes to stretching. Just a few minutes each day can make a big difference. For knee pain, try a gentle hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs extended. Loop a towel around one foot and gently pull. Hold for 30 seconds and repeat on the other side. For hip pain, try a piriformis stretch. Lie on your back with knees bent, cross one leg over the other. Gently pull the bottom knee towards your chest. Hold for 30 seconds and repeat. For hand pain, try a wrist stretch. Extend your arm with your palm up. Bend your wrist, fingers pointing down. Use your other hand to gently bend the wrist. Hold for 15 seconds and repeat. Listen to your body and stop if you feel any sharp pain. These stretches should feel good. If unsure, consult with a physical therapist or doctor. Let's see some natural powerhouses that can give your joints an extra boost. Supplements can be a great way to support joint health, but remember, it's always a good idea to chat with your doctor before adding anything new to your routine, especially if you're already taking medications. Turmeric and curcumin are like the rock stars of the supplement world when it comes to joint health. They have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and stiffness. Another great option is boswellia. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is known for its ability to reduce joint stiffness. Now let's talk about some building blocks for healthy cartilage: glucosamine, chondroitin, collagen, and MSM. These supplements work together to support cartilage repair, improve flexibility, and reduce joint pain. Remember, consistency is key with supplements. It might take a few weeks or even months to notice the full benefits, so be patient, stick with it, and you'll be happy with the results. Sometimes all you need is a little temperature therapy to find relief from joint pain. And the best part is you can do this right at home. Ice packs are your best friend when it comes to acute pain and swelling. Wrap a thin towel around an ice pack and apply it to the affected area for 15 to 20 minutes at a time, several times a day. The cold helps numb the area and reduce inflammation. On the other hand, heat therapy can work wonders for stiffness and muscle tension. Apply a warm towel, heating pad, or take a warm bath to relax those muscles and ease discomfort. And if you're looking for a relaxing way to relieve pain and inflammation, try adding Epsom salts to your bath. Epsom salts are a natural source of magnesium, which can be absorbed through the skin to help soothe sore muscles and joints. Remember, listen to your body and see what works best for you. Sometimes alternating between hot and cold therapy can be even more effective. I know we've talked about a lot of different remedies, but I want to emphasize that true lasting relief comes from a holistic approach. It's not just about quick fixes, it's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that support your overall health. One of the most impactful things you can do for your joints is to maintain a healthy weight. Even losing just 5 to 10% of your body weight can significantly reduce the pressure on your joints, especially your knees and hips. And how do you achieve a healthy weight? It starts with a balanced diet and portion control. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, and try to limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive alcohol consumption. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about making healthier choices that nourish your body and support your joints in the long run. Let's speak about harnessing the power of nature for topical relief. Essential oils and natural topicals can provide soothing comfort and target pain directly at the source. Peppermint oil and eucalyptus oil are both known for their cooling and pain-relieving properties. You can mix a few drops of either oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil and massage it into the affected area. Arnica gel is another great option, especially for reducing swelling and bruising. It's often used for sports injuries, but can be helpful for any type of joint pain. Capsaicin cream derived from chili peppers can also be effective in blocking pain signals. It creates a warming sensation that can help distract from the pain. And if you're looking for a relaxing way to ease muscle tension and stiffness, try a magnesium oil massage. Magnesium is easily absorbed through the skin and can help relax those tight muscles surrounding your joints. As always, do a patch test before applying any new essential oil or topical to your skin to check for any sensitivities. We've covered a wide range of natural ways to relieve joint pain and inflammation. From eating anti-inflammatory foods to using herbal supplements and natural therapies, you have the power to take control of your joint health and improve your mobility. Remember, it's not about trying every single remedy at once. Start with one or two that resonate with you and gradually incorporate others into your routine. Which of these remedies are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more natural health tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. See you on the next one.